Are you a new freelancer looking to make money online? Then this video is for you. Discover how social media marketing strategies can transform your freelance career, covering professional profiles, content marketing, networking, paid advertising, and result monitoring. So, get ready to unlock your path to profitable online earnings. First, let's talk about the power of social media. It's crucial to establish a professional presence on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Here, you can display your unique skills and expertise, becoming a beacon for potential clients. Showcase your skills and expertise and start attracting potential clients. Next, let's delve into content marketing and networking. Imagine crafting compelling content, brimming with valuable insights that resonate with your audience. This not only positions you as an authority in your field, but also keeps your followers engaged and coming back for more. Now couple this with active networking. Engage in vibrant discussions, share ideas, and explore collaborations with other professionals. This widens your horizons and opens doors to new opportunities. Remember, networking not only allows you to learn, but also presents opportunities for collaborations and referrals. Now, let's explore paid advertising and the importance of monitoring your results. Platforms such as Facebook ads and Google ads can amplify your visibility, helping you reach your ideal clients based on demographics, interests, and behavior. Investing in targeted ads can attract the right audience, boosting your chances of securing those lucrative projects. But remember, it's vital to track your social media metrics like engagement, reach, and conversions. This data guides you to what's working and what needs refining. Don't be afraid to test new approaches and adapt your marketing efforts accordingly. And that's a wrap. We've explored the power of professional profiles, the impact of content marketing, the value of networking, the efficacy of paid advertising, and the importance of monitoring your results. It's a journey that demands perseverance and dedication. But remember, every post, every connection, every ad is a step towards your goal. With a strong online presence, you'll be well on your way to a thriving freelance career. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips and tricks.